Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones and ES Futures Review. We had some good setups available last night, so let's get right into it. If you noticed my last video, I said that we were potentially working on a failed breakdown already going into the close, but that if we did dip and go below these lows, we might get another chance at a failed breakdown. So that is exactly what happened. We dipped below at the 6 o'clock open and then we were off to the races. Very simple failed breakdown. This is almost like a triple failed breakdown. You can see the failed breakdown here, one right here, and this is the third one. Very trappy action. So that eventually worked out awesome overnight, and we hit what I was calling the reclaim area. Usually a reclaim area is a resistance area that we are targeting, and we got right up to this, sold off a little bit, pushed through a little more, sold off again. So that played out perfect. And then the overnight, rest of the night, we kind of flagged sideways accordingly. I had a level right above actually, but as the day progresses, I adjust a little bit. So we came and tested this multiple times, and then on the third try, we sold from there. So classic short of this level. First bounce, another bounce, a third bounce. You can short below these lows. Not that I would, but that is definitely the possibility. Afterwards, which we came in, set up an awesome failed breakdown. Very simple action. I'm gonna go to a 5-minute chart just so it's a little clear. So we had multiple failed breakdowns here. So the first one's right here. We dipped just below this low. We tagged this level exactly to the dot, and then we went up. This one went up for about 6 points. Not the best failed breakdown, but a failed breakdown nonetheless. Some points were available here. But afterwards, which we flushed it at all at 950, and that worked out 2 levels up all the way to 44.29 and more. And then one more time, we flushed that again at this exact level and set up the failed breakdown of the day here at 10 o'clock ish, where we lost this low, which was a quality low of almost 13-14 points, and then went right back above afterwards, which, like I mentioned, this was the level above. Now I'm thinking, as I adjust for the rest of the day, that it might be the one below for the rest of the afternoon in terms of the price action we have now. We're pretty much consolidating around this level all day, and that's about it. So next step up will be targeting this area up here. If we don't hold these lows, might be a failed breakdown trap one more time. Otherwise, we'll test these lows from earlier this morning. Now going back to a 15-minute chart, and let's go to ES real quick. Same setups applied in ES, and that's exactly what we got. I mentioned that we might dip below these lows on the open and set up a mini fail breakdown. That's exactly what happened. We dipped below the Tuesday morning low on the Tuesday evening open, offered a second entry, consolidated below 23, and then reclaimed that as well. And then we were off to the races yet again. This was a reclaim level. You can see we pushed there, consolidated, then pushed above. Perfect acceptance. This was a reclaim level. We hit it, sold down, came back up, consolidated around it, and then started popping overnight, level to level, and that is awesome price action. We reached the high of the overnight session, and then we sold off, and that's good flagging. Afterwards, which we had a triple fail breakdown. It was quite a morning. I did get trapped once or twice, I can't lie. So it's been a little bit rough today, but eventually caught the last one. But as you can see, we had a little bit of a failed breakdown, dip and recovery of this level at 7 o'clock. We had a failed breakdown of that at 8 o'clock, clear low, dip below, popped up, level to level, awesome action. We did it again here at 9:30. That worked out. Another failed breakdown at 9:40. That worked out. And then a fifth one potentially at 10:30. That has been the perfect failed breakdown for the rest of the day. And now this level is definitely very weak, and we have reclaimed this level, and now we're up all the way at the highs of the day, consolidating and flagging below the highs. So some good setups, but a little trappy. It even got me today. It was just one of those days where you don't see often, with like 4 or 5 multiple failed breakdowns at the same level. Like, that's just insane, but a lot to learn from. So study this video, study the price action, and I hope that helps.